Question 1. What does EC2 stand for? The correct answer is A. Elastic Compute Cloud. Question 2. Which EC2 pricing model offers the lowest cost for long-term workloads? The correct answer is B. Reserved instances. Question 3. What is an AMI in EC2? The correct answer is A. Amazon Machine Image. Question 4. Which EC2 instance type is optimized for memory-intensive applications? The correct answer is C. R5. Question 5. What is the maximum number of elastic IP addresses per AWS account by default? The correct answer is A. 5. Question 6. Which EC2 feature allows you to automatically scale instances? The correct answer is B. Auto-scaling. Question 7. What is an EC2 instance store? The correct answer is B. Temporary block storage. Question 8. Which EC2 instance family is best for compute-intensive workloads? The correct answer is B. C5. Question 9. What is the purpose of EC2 user data? The correct answer is B. Run scripts at instance launch. Question 10. Which EC2 pricing option can be interrupted by AWS? The correct answer is C. Spot instances. Question 11. What is an EC2 placement group? The correct answer is B. Physical grouping for low latency. Question 12. Which EC2 instance type offers burstable performance? The correct answer is A. T3. Question 13. What is the default termination behavior for an EC2 instance? The correct answer is A. Stop. Question 14. Which service provides a virtual network for EC2 instances? The correct answer is A. VPC. Question 15. What is EC2 Hibernation? The correct answer is B. Saving RAM to disk and stopping. Question 16. Which EC2 feature allows you to attach IAM roles? The correct answer is B. Instance profile. Question 17. What is the maximum size of an EBS volume? The correct answer is C. 64 terabytes. Question 18. Which EC2 instance purchasing option provides up to 72% discount? The correct answer is C. Spot instances. Question 19. What is an EC2 security group? The correct answer is B. Virtual firewall. Question 20. Which EC2 instance metadata endpoint is used? The correct answer is A, 169.254.169.254. Question 21. What is EC2 auto-scaling cooldown period? The correct answer is A, time before scaling again. Question 22. Which EBS volume type offers the highest IOPS? The correct answer is B, IO2. Question 23. What is an EC2 dedicated host? The correct answer is B, physical server for your use. Question 24. Which EC2 feature allows you to monitor instance performance? The correct answer is A, CloudWatch. Question 25. What is the purpose of EC2 key pairs? The correct answer is B, SSH access. Question 26. Which EC2 instance type is optimized for storage? The correct answer is C, I3. Question 27. What is EC2 Instance Connect? The correct answer is B, browser-based SSH. Question 28. Which EC2 placement group type offers high network throughput? The correct answer is A, cluster. Question 29. What is the maximum number of instances in a placement group? The correct answer is D, depends on type. Question 30. Which EC2 feature provides persistent block storage? The correct answer is B, EBS. Question 31. What is EC2 Nitro system? The correct answer is B, hypervisor platform. Question 32. Which EC2 instance state incurs charges? The correct answer is B, running. Question 33. What is an EC2 elastic network interface? The correct answer is B, virtual network interface. Question 34. Which EC2 feature allows you to change instance type? The correct answer is A, instance resizing. Question 35. What is EC2 Spot Fleet? The correct answer is B, collection of spot instances. Question 36. Which EC2 instance family is general purpose? The correct answer is A, T3. Question 37. What is the purpose of EC2 status checks? The correct answer is B, monitor instance health. Question 38. Which EBS volume type is optimized for throughput? The correct answer is C, ST1. Question 39. What is EC2 Instance Scheduler? The correct answer is B, start/stop automation. Question 40. Which EC2 feature provides enhanced networking? The correct answer is A, Elastic Network Adapter. Question 41. What is the default EBS volume type for EC2? The correct answer is B, GP3. Question 42. Which EC2 pricing model offers flexibility with commitment? The correct answer is D, savings plans. Question 43. What is EC2 Image Builder? The correct answer is A, AMI Creation Service. Question 44. Which EC2 instance type uses ARM processors? The correct answer is B, M6G. Question 45. What is the purpose of EC2 launch templates? The correct answer is B, define instance configuration. Question 46. Which EC2 feature allows you to recover failed instances? The correct answer is D, EC2 Auto Recovery. Question 47. What is EC2 capacity reservations? The correct answer is B, on-demand capacity guarantee. Question 48. Which EC2 instance type is best for machine learning? The correct answer is C, P3. Question 49. What is the maximum number of EBS volumes per instance? The correct answer is D, depends on instance type. Question 50. Which EC2 feature provides instance usage reports? The correct answer is B, Cost Explorer. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.